Be honest. How many times have you said, from next month, I'll manage my money better?
Based on historical data, too many.
Wow. Judged in the first 5 seconds.
I'm not judging. I'm analyzing your past financial behavior.
That's worse.
Today, we're testing whether AI can actually fix your budget. Or expose us.
AI-powered personal finance tools claim they can track spending, predict bad habits, and help people save money automatically.
Which sounds great until AI sees what you spend on food delivery.
And subscriptions you forgot exist.
RIP free trials.
These tools analyze income, expenses, and spending patterns.
Patterns like responsible adult from Monday to Thursday, financial chaos on Friday.
They categorize transactions automatically,
So you can finally see where your money actually goes.
and why your balance never matches your expectations.
Modern AI finance tools can track expenses in real time, predict upcoming bills, warn you before overspending.
Basically an AI saying, maybe don't buy that right now.
Some tools even suggest monthly limits.
Which humans immediately ignore.
Until the end of the month arrives.
And reality loads slowly.
AI once told me, you spent $286 on snacks.
Correction. You invested in emotional stability.
Right, exactly.
Let's be realistic. AI budgeting isn't magic. Pros, no emotions, no excuses, no impulse justification. Cons, it remembers everything, which is why privacy matters. Always check permissions. Even AI doesn't need to know your 2026 decisions.
People often use AI-assisted apps like these to track spending and set smart limits. We're not sponsored, just examples.
AI won't make you rich overnight,
But it will make you aware,
and awareness is the first step to better habits.
right after denial.
If you want more videos where we test AI on real-life problems,
Before you make the mistakes yourself,
subscribe to TechFix AI.
Because AI is getting smarter.
And your decisions should too.
Pros: no emotions, no excuses, no impulse justification.